I would give you 2 minutes, could you identify the best people in your company for a specific role? Not just one person. The top candidates from among thousands of consultants, employees, and candidates in your database. Most consulting and recruitment companies can't. When a new opportunity arrives, either it's a client request, a framework contract, or a public tender, teams often spend hours searching databases, reviewing CVs, and trying to remember who has the right skill and experience. But what if all you had to do was just to forward the opportunity to Sprint CV by email? That's exactly why we built Sprint CV Match. Simply send an email to your Sprint CV mailbox, write job in a subject line, and paste the full job description in the email body. Once the email is sent, Sprint CV automatically creates the opportunity, analyzes the requirement, searches your database, calculates the matching scores, and identifies the best matching candidates. In less than 2 minutes, you will receive an email with a direct link to the platform and an Excel report containing the results. For every candidate, you will see the contact details, matching score, match skills, partial matches, missing requirements, and experience gaps. The result is a transparent and explainable matching process that helps recruiters, delivery managers, and big teams make faster decisions. The reality is that most companies already have the talent they need in their database. The challenge is finding it quickly enough. With Sprint CV Match, your team can move from the opportunity to candidate shortlist in less than 2 minutes. Because when the opportunity arrives, speed matters. And the faster you identify the right people, the greater your chances of winning the business. Want to see Sprint CV Match in action? Book a demo with us.